Welcome to the New York Boat Show. My name is Keith Abel and I work for MarineMax. Today I'm going to be taking you through the 350 Realm Boston Whaler. This boat is powered by triple 350 Mercury Verados. As we enter the boat, we are greeted by this little summer kitchen. There's an electric grill, refrigeration system, a cooler box, plenty of seating. You do have a flip down, flip up seat here, the dive door, flip-flopping seats. This helm seat does swivel around. This boat's equipped with a Raymarine GPS chart plotter fish finder and also radar. It also has a joystick option. Down below it does sleep too. There's a nice head. But this is the real interesting part of this Boston Whaler, which was purposely engineered. You also have an open bow, a sun pad, a bow table that comes up and retracts, speakers, storage, anchor windlass, pop-up cleats, and this one also has the bow shade. For more information on this beautiful 350 Realm Boston Whaler, please call Keith Abel at 203-996-2599. Thank you, and come to the New York Boat Show. Have a great day. See you on the water.